My dear friends, today we are going to make easy liver roast. For that I have taken a 1 kg fresh liver. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of pepper, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of crushed whole spices. Mix them well. Cook them for 4 whistles. To a pan, add 2 chopped onions. Pour some coconut oil and saute them. Add salt. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute them until raw smell goes. Add 3 teaspoons of coriander powder. Roast it. Add the masala to the cooked liver. Mix them well. Add a handful of curry leaves. Mix them again and your liver roast is ready. Hope you liked the video. If so, then please don't forget to share, subscribe and like.